Okay, so again, I repeat, if you have any doubts, please unmute yourself and you can ask your question. Okay, so there's a question from Vijay Bairwa asking whether they should focus more on final exams. You should focus both for assignments as well as final exams because both these components have some weightage for your overall grading. So just not you can't simply focus just on the exams and do badly in the assignments and vice versa. You have to do well in both of them. Of course, in assignments you have more time to submit your assignment and the number of questions are less, so relatively it's easier. But exam, it's a 3 hour exam and a number of questions will be more. So yes, you have to focus more on the for the final exams, but you have to do well in both assignments as well as in final exams. Are there any other questions? which are asked in the discussion forum. So if you have any doubts in any of the topics which we have covered till now, feel free to unmute yourself and ask your question, please. Or if you want, you can type in the chat window as well. So looks like for questions, what should we do? And no one is joining as well.
Yes, sir. If we can close, sir, if nobody is there asking questions or something.
Yeah, we can wait for 5 minutes, 5 more minutes,
Sure.
in case, yeah, in case if someone joins.
Okay.
Bhavesh, do you have any question? I think no one is joining and there are no questions, so we can wind up the session.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, and I again would like to say to the participants, if you have any questions, you can always ask in the discussion forum. The TAs will be should be able to answer your questions. Ankita, do you have any question? You joined very late.
Hello, sir. Good morning.
Morning. If you have any
Hello,
question, you can
everyone.
ask here.
Sir, basically, I have some doubts in some countable and uncountable sets. So please, can you explain once again countable and uncountable sets?
Can you be more specific? What
Hello, am I audible?
exactly is? Yeah, yeah, you are audible. Just wanted to
Yes,
know
sir.
what.
Yes, sir. That of yes, sir. Yes, sir. Definitely, sir. Sir, basically, that I've seen your video lectures, then the set of integers is is countable, and the set of odd positive integers are countable. So how can we conclude that these are countable or not? So basically,
Okay, so is the definition of countable sets clear to you, first of all?
any set that we can do that
Your,
is
your
finite or infinite. So
your voice is breaking down. I'm unable to hear you clearly.
okay, okay, sir. Sir, am I audible now?
No, but your voice is again breaking.
Breaking.
Hmm.
Just
Okay, so yeah, so let me first try to answer. Let me again recall what exactly is the definition of uncountable and countable sets. So the basic idea is we have infinite sets, many infinite sets like set of integers, set of prime numbers, set of real
yes, sir.
numbers, set of
Yes, sir.
natural numbers, and all.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
we would like to categorize these infinite sets into various categories. So what we
Yes,
would
sir.
like to do is we take the set of integers and we would like to see how many other sets have the same cardinality as the set of integers. Okay, and
Okay, sir.
all the sets whose cardinality is same as a set of integers, we would like to kind of group them together. Okay,
Okay.
so yeah, so that and the other infinite sets whose cardinality is more than or different than the set of integers, that they will be categorized in a different group. So
Okay.
so even if you have an infinite set, we are basically trying to put a few of such sets in one category. Okay, and the cardinality of the set of integers, we are calling it by some special name. We are giving it notation aleph null. It's a Hebrew character. So now let's see, for example, the set of yeah, odd positive integers. So you might be wondering that odd positive integers, it is a subset of the set of integers because set of integers has both uh, odd numbers as well as even numbers. Whereas I'm talking about another set which has just odd numbers. So how can it be possible that both of them have the same cardinality? Now,
Okay.
so now when we are actually trying to prove that these two sets have the same cardinality, we are using the following definition. I will say that these two sets have the same cardinality if I can associate uh, each member from the first set to another member of the second set and vice versa. That means some
Okay.
one-to-one mapping and correspondence should be there. Or in other way, I can say that if I can write down the elements of the first set in some sequence, and if I can also write down the elements of the second set in some sequence, and then say that the first element of the first sequence maps to the this element of the second sequence and so on, then that is also another way to say that the two sets have the same cardinality. So,
Okay.
i- so if you take the set of odd positive integers, what are the elements? The elements are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 up to infinity.
Mhm.
Okay. So I can always say that, okay, the set element 1 corresponds to some integer, element 3 corresponds to some integer, element 5 corresponds to some integer, and so on, because element 1 is the first element 3 is the second element 5 is
Okay.
the
Okay.
third element, and so on. So it's a sequence I am writing down. So I can always
Okay.
associate this sequence with a sequence of integers, and that's why they have the same cardinality. Even though they have both infinite number of elements, and intuitively it might look like you have more elements in the set of integers compared to the set of odd integers. cardinality wise, they are same because I can always do a one-to-one mapping between the elements of these two sets. In the same way, if I take the set of prime numbers, so it might look like that it has less number of elements compared to the set of integers. No, it's not the case, because again, I can do a one-to-one mapping between the set of prime numbers and the set of integers. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Any
Sir,
other?
yes, sir. Basically, I need some notes,
So
some digitized notes. Yeah, sir.
So I think the slides are already shared with you, isn't it?
Slides, sir, via mail.
It was posted on the discussion forum, isn't it?
Yes, sir. This is my first discussion, sir.
No, Miss, the online discussion forum.
Yes, sir. Online discussion, which is my first class. Yes, sir.
No,
No, sir.
the email discussion forum where you ask
Okay,
questions.
email. Yes, sir. Just a second, sir. Email. No, sir. I have no
Okay.
notes. Yes, sir.
Okay. So I will ask the TS to post all the slides.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so
Okay, sir. Okay.
that will be equivalent to your notes.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir. So, sir, can I leave?
It's up to you. If you have no other
Okay.
questions, you can leave. Yeah.
Okay, no, sir. No other question. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Okay, then, so we can wind up the session, and I think Naveen, the other session is at 11:30, right? I will join at 11:30.
11:45.
Oh, 11:45. Okay, then, fine. I will join at 11:30.
Okay, done, sir.